In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can report off Reaktion's custom conversion events and exclusive metrics directly within your ad platforms. Of course, these custom events and exclusive metrics are visible within the Reaktion dashboard, as well as Reaktion's reports. You can even customize these reports to pull through exclusive metrics yourself and tailor them to your business. And you can do this not only at ad level, ad platform level, but at business-wide level as well. However, when making optimizations within platforms, as a marketer, it is beneficial to also have the data within the ad account, as well as a separate reporting platform. This means that when you go to make optimizations, the data is to hand instead of in another tab. How you do this for both Meta and Google is the same. You simply create custom columns and utilize Reaktion's custom conversion events that are automatically pulled through when you connect your ad platforms. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can do the custom columns on Google, but the same goes for Meta. For Google, you want to navigate to Campaigns, Columns, Modify Columns, and Custom Column. You then want to name your custom column for the metric that you wish to display. So, for example, we can name it POAS for profit on ad spend. And of course, profit on ad spend is your profit divided by your cost. So to pull through your profit data, you want to add a column for all conversions, and then you can search within all conversions for Reaktion profit. Conversion action, Reaktion profit. Of course, we also have our conversion booster, so you want to add that as well. Again, column, all conversions, and Reaktion profit conversion booster. Now, if you were to leave this alone and click save, it would pull through your profit into a custom column so that you can then report off your profit ad level, ad group level, and campaign level. However, to go one step further and calculate the POAS, you want to click the divide function, column, and then search for cost. And there is your POAS calculation. You can hit save, and then that will save the custom column. There are plenty of equations that you can use for this, as well as plenty of our conversion events. So without creating the column itself, if we go to Reaktion, look at some of the conversion actions. You have customer lifetime value, for example. You can pull these metrics in as they are, but you can also utilize them to create equations. So in the case of new customer revenue, for example, you can calculate new versus returning customers or the revenue of new versus returning customers. So if you subtract the new customer revenue from the overall revenue, you'll be left with your returning customers revenue. So there's plenty of metrics here to use. You can calculate things like return rates, as I said, new versus returning customers. You can calculate profit after returns. All of our conversion events can either be brought in as they are or utilized to create equations to create exclusive metrics just for you and tailored for your business. We do have some examples of these within our guide, which will be linked. However, for now, if we click save and then apply the custom column, you will then be able to see and report off POAS 1.